Good morning students, welcome to you all 11th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 5 trial balance sum number 2. So prepare the trial balance from the following information. So I already told you that what is trial balance. So trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of the account. So trial balance is a statement containing all the debit and credit balances of all the ledger accounts on a particular date. So first sum, prepare the trial balance from the following information. Sum number 2. Exercise number 2. So trial balance as on year ended. So what is the format of trial balance? First serial number, next column particulars, then next column LF, next debit and credit. So you have to write one by one. So first one, bank loan. So all the assets are debit side, liabilities credit side, all the expenses and losses debit and all the incomes and gains credit. So easy method. So first one, bank loan. So bank loan is liability. So you have to write on the credit side, bank loan. So what is the amount? 2 lakh. Then second one, bills payable. So bills payable also liability. So write on the credit side. So bills payable 1 lakh. Third one, stock. Stock asset. So asset debit side. So amount 70,000. Then fourth one, capital. So capital is liability. So liability write on the credit side 2,50,000. Next, purchases, nominal account. So nominal, all the expenses debit. So purchase is debit 1,80,000. The next, sales. Sales credit amount 3 lakh. Next, debtors. So debtors is asset. So asset you have to write on the debit column. So amount 4 lakh. Next, finally, bank. So bank asset amount 2 lakh. So all the items are recorded. So you have to add debit column and the credit column. The both column must be equal. So first debit column answer. So 2 lakh plus 4 lakh 6 lakh 7,80,000. 7,80,000 plus 70,000 8,50,000. So debit side 8,50,000. Same also come to the credit side. So 2 lakh plus 1 3 lakh 5,50,000. Then plus 30,000 8,50,000. So this is the answer total. Next, sum number 3. Sum number 3. Prepare the trial balance from the following balances of Mr. Chandramohan as on 31st March 2017. So all the items are given. So write the heading first. In the books of Chandramohan. Trial balance as on year ended. March 2017. serial number, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first one, capital 1,24,500. So capital is liability. So you have to write on the credit side 1,24,500. And second item, drawings. So drawings, debit column 2,000 rupees. Next, loan. Loan borrowed, liability. Loan borrowed, liability, write on the credit side 7,000. The next item, sales. So sales credit side 53,400 and purchase 40,000. Purchase 40,000. Next, bank overdraft, liability. So liability write on the credit side, the credit column. So bank overdraft 5,800. The next one, motor car. Motor car is asset. So write on the debit column amount 20,000. Next one, general expenses. So all the expenses debit. So write on the debit column. So general expenses 2,500. Next amount, building. So building asset 1,10,000, debit column. And next item, stock. Stock also asset. So write on the debit column 16,200. So all the debit items are come to the debit side. All the assets and assets all come to the debit side. Expenses all come to the debit side. All the liabilities all come to the credit side. So what is the total? So you have to add the total now. So debit column 2,000 plus 40,000, 42,000 plus 20,000, 62,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 2,500 plus 16,200. So what is the amount of total? Means 1,90,700. 1,90,700 for debit column. Then credit column also same 1,90,700. So in trial balance both sides must be equal. So total 1,90,700.